Hi, welcome to another studio vlog. Our internet has been down all day and I'm in desperate need of a shower, but I just finished organizing all of my Copic markers into my new organizer thing that goes on top of the IKEA Raskog cart. I got it on Etsy from this shop and it's amazing. I freaking love it. I'll leave the link down below in case you guys want to check it out. But yeah, I'm so super excited. It looks freaking amazing. Oh, I'll insert the organization stuff here. Okay, so my plan is to make a card making cart and a planner cart. So I got the new Copic organizer for the top of this one. So it's gonna go right in the top. So I gotta clean out all of this stuff and then the markers will come out of the side. So those won't be there anymore. They'll be in the little organizer thing. And I gotta unpack all the new markers that I got. I don't know why I'm so out of breath right now, what the heck? Anyway, so I gotta take the stuff out of the top of this and then put my new organizer in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, I just finished organizing all of my Copic sketch markers. So those are all ready to go on the top. I am actually planning to turn this cart from IKEA into like a card making cart that I will just be able to pull over to the desk when I'm ready. So there's like random stuff in here right now. So I'm gonna start swapping things out so that basically this is like a ready to go card making cart with everything that I need when I generally make cards, and I can just pull it over and work and it'll be great. All right, so my card making cart first iteration is done. Got my markers on top, all my tools and things like that, like gem pickers, bone folders, piercing, splatter brush, things like that, all in this pocket. This is all scissors and cutting type things like X-Acto knife, box cutters, different scissors that I have in use. And then down here, these are some markers from Altenew. This is my heat tool for embossing. I've got my black ink, my clear Nuvo drops, misters, glue, cleaning stuff, including my little squid buster and cleaning solutions from Maker Forte. This is my anti-static powder bag that I'm trying out in a new little container from Dollar Tree. These are just miscellaneous like pens and things that I use, glitter pens, a Sharpie, like a journaling pen, stuff like that. Some of my most used sequins, use those. This is a little thing of washi tape, like a washi tape holder, just like a notepad in case I need it. My ATG or tape runner, an acrylic block, and my mini Misty. And then on the bottom, it's a little less organized, but I've got my new stamp or ink pads, the ones that I showed in a previous studio vlog, my ink blending tools, a couple of Distress Oxide reinkers that I haven't gotten the containers to put them away yet, a couple miscellaneous things that I use when I'm crafting, like a glue holder, like a little Trinity Stamps tidy tray for holding sequins, my little smusher thingy that a kind viewer sent me, a stamp for the back of my cards, and then this is just like miscellaneous stuff like ibuprofen and lotion, hand sanitizer, cough drops, things like that that I use in here, which that may find a new home some other time, but for now it's working. So that's it. That right now is the cart. It may have changes, or I don't know. I might decide that some things aren't working, but for right now, I'm pretty happy with it and I like how it has turned out. Hey friends, it's Jess Francisco and welcome to the next hour of Hedgehog Holidays for August 2021. It looks like my chair got here. Also, there must be a squirrel in the tree or something. It's making a lot of racket. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this inside and see if it works. Fingers crossed. job, buddy. Good job, buddy. All right, go, Benton. Woo! Nice job, buddy. What a weird studio vlog this has been this week. I'm back from vacation, but now it's been like a few days since we've been back and I haven't really gotten a whole lot done. I have been trying to kind of recover from the huge mess that is my craft room studio right now. I've had a lot of shipments come in while I was away, so I've been working on kind of unpacking those. I have some collaboration videos coming up soon. I have a bunch of stuff that Arteza was sweet enough to send me, and so I'm going to be doing some videos on those and kind of how I feel about them, if I like them. I'll be sharing that with you all soon. I've got Hedgehog holidays coming up this weekend, so I think the 28th and the 29th maybe are the dates for that. If you haven't gotten a ticket or anything, I'm not sure if you can still get them right now, but if you are going, let me know and I will double check and see if you can still get tickets, and if you can, I'll link it below. But yeah, anyway, so weird studio vlog this week, but hopefully I'll be able to get back into the swing of things. I know it's been a while since I've posted, so I just wanted to get this one out there, even though it's kind of a mismatch of stuff. So yeah, I don't know. Anyway, that's it for this week. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed coming along with me to the beach for a little while, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.